my low-carb coconut flour cake. Beat 7 large eggs. Prepare a half cup of coconut flour. Prepare a half cup unsalted melted butter. Then mix melted butter and beaten eggs. Then mix 1 to coconut flour. Mix well until thickened. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. You can also add low-carb sweetener. Grease your pan with butter or oil. Pour in your mixture to pan. Then attack manas bleed knocking ina. Preheat oven to 180 beber pudding and mixture them bake for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is my low-carb cake recipe. So fluffy and yummy. Thanks for watching.